All right, I'm doing my screencast for this discussion board, and I'm going to answer some of the questions and tell you a little bit about how I use technology in my classroom. First thing, what makes me effective with technology? I use Google Classroom quite a bit. As you can tell from the screen here, I had all my world history classes last year using it, and then the American history up there in the left-hand corner is for next year. I'm going to be teaching only 8th grade American history. So this is sort of my key component of how I use technology in the classroom. Other teachers, some use the Google Classroom in our school. A lot of our science department uses it, and math not quite so much, and of course the ELA uses it quite a bit also. Next question there, Google Docs as tools to share and collaborate. Let me see if I can switch over here to my drive. The other history teachers and I collaborate quite a bit on last year, especially because there was 3 of us teaching world history because we were teaching it in 2 grade levels last year. This coming year it will no longer be, each teacher will have an individual grade level. So I will be teaching U.S. history, we'll have another person teaching world and another teaching geography. But when we were together, we used our Google Drive to share a lot of the information for our classrooms. We also used it to track data of our students for the testing, and we shared that data with the students as well. Next question, tips for management. Not at the current school that I'm at now, but at my previous school, we had the ability as teachers for classroom management with technology to project everyone's screen up onto our smart board. So what that really helped do is it helped prevent the students from going to other sites that they weren't supposed to be at or doing something that they weren't supposed to on the computer. I could keep an eye on them just on my computer, or I could screen it up onto the smart board, and all the students could see what each other were doing. So that was a great management tool. I wish my current district would add that software, but they haven't done that yet. Fourth question, the tips for social media. My school uses Twitter, and it's mainly used by our administrative staff to get information out to the parents. Our school has a pretty strict policy on Facebook and using that with students. On the other hand, my wife teaches at another district, and they use all their social media. They use Facebook to give out homework assignments to the students. So the teachers will set up a grade level Facebook account. So all the teachers will have that account and be able to send out information to their students on what's happening. Again, Twitter is the biggest one that my current district uses. Thank you.